हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड आफ्टरनून। वेलकम टू माय चैनल एस एस स्टॉक्स। आज हम बात करेंगे यस बैंक के बारे में। देयर इज सम न्यूज़ कमिंग अप रिगार्डिंग यस बैंक। अगर हम आई थॉट कि वी शुड मेक वीडियो ऑन यस बैंक एंड व्हाट इज दैट न्यूज़। सो वी विल गो टू द एनएसई साइट एंड ये जो है इट इज़ न्यूज़ ऑन 31st of August। सो न्यूज़ में क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी जो है उन्होंने क्रिजल क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी है, उन्होंने यस बैंक का क्रेडिट रेटिंग जो है इट हैज़ बीन अपग्रेडेड। सो इफ़ यू सी दिस लेटर, द लेटर इज ऑफ 31st of August। So it is yesterday's letter and there are three different sections. In these three sections, all three sections are upgraded. Like अगर पहला हम टायर 2 बॉन्ड्स का अगर बात करते हैं तो इसका जो रेटिंग था इट इज अपग्रेडेड टू क्रिजल BBB प्लस। it is stable and it was initially it was क्रिजल BBB। सिमिलरली अगर सेकंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बॉन्ड्स का रेटिंग है वो भी क्रिजल BBB प्लस स्टेबल एंड इट इज ऑल्सो अपग्रेडेड। सिमिलरली सर्टिफिकेट्स ऑफ डिपॉजिट इट इज upgraded from CRISIL A2 to CRISIL A1. So this shows that yes bank rating has been upgraded from previous rating and now there are some criteria भी उन्होंने दिया है कि इसका रीजन क्या है। key rating drivers and detailed descriptions. So one point which is driving this rating is adequate capitalization कि यस बैंक के पास adequate capitalization है and which will help in stabilizing the bank in future. Second point is expectation of continued extraordinary systematic support. We all know कि SBI भी support कर रहा है यस बैंक को। Also SBI is largest bank in India had taken the lead in supporting yes bank. So ये सब चीज़ों के कारण this is the driving part of this rating. Another is deposit based जो है yes बैंक का it is also showing some improvement. So ये तीन चीज़ें हैं which are driving this rating. So now हम जाएंगे यस बैंक के अगर हम फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं तो सिर्फ ये लेटर देख के शुड वी इन्वेस्ट इन यस बैंक। सो बिफोर दैट वी विल गो टू ऑन स्क्रीनर साइट कि यस बैंक का रिजल्ट्स कैसा आया हुआ है पिछले क्वार्टर्स में। सो यस बैंक इज 27059 मार्केट कैप बैंक। सो इट इज मिड साइज बैंक, प्राइवेट बैंक। करंट प्राइस इज 10.8 एंड बुक वैल्यू इज 13.2। So it is trading below book value. This is one point which we can say positive point. High price of the stock is 404 and it is, we all know, due to this crisis, bad loans, stock price गिरते it is now came to 10.8. So this is not a good part. ROC is 3.14 which is also not very good at this moment. Stock P is not appearing as bank is in loss. So if we go to quarterly results, अगर जून 21 का रिजल्ट हम देखते हैं तो revenue is 4524. So revenue part is seems to be till it is good because it is improved from March 21, but it is showing some it is decreased from June 20. If we compare, so it is decreased, but we can say this may be due to pandemic. So we can expect कि आगे जाके जैसे जैसे हम कोरोना का केसेस कम होगा and we will come out of it, so this revenue can improve. Interest 3123 and financing profit is minus 814. So it was financing loss for the bank. So as far as results are financing profit is concerned, it is not very good result, at least for June quarter. Other income, it is 1085. So this seems to be good or maintained. And overall profit of the bank is 204. This seems to be good. So overall अगर June 21 का results अगर देखा जाए तो it is not a very bad result. Bank is showing signs of the improvement. Then profit and loss फॉर मार्च 21, अगर मार्च 21 का रिजल्ट हम देखते हैं तो स्टिल रेवेन्यू सीम्स टू बी गुड इन कंसिडरिंग corona crisis, but overall due to NPS there was a loss of 7,800, and considering other income total loss was minus 3,489. So 3,489 was loss for March 21. So as far as last financial year results are concerned, it is not very good. Bank produced loss, but अगर उसका हम पॉजिटिव बात देखते हैं तो if we compare March 20 result with March 21, March 21 में 16,000 लॉस था, which is now improved to 3,000 loss. So we can expect further improvement in future. But this is my opinion. I am not recommending any buy or stock. We are just learning how we can study financials of any company. So reserves of the bank, if we see balance sheet and if we go to reserves of the banks are continuously improving. So in March 21 reserves are 28,000. शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न अगर बात करते हैं तो FIS के पास 10.45 है, विच सीम्स टू बी गुड. DIS 47.10 है, विच इज ऑल्सो गुड. एंड बाकी पब्लिक के पास 42%. आउट ऑफ 42, some 5% is with strong institutions. So around 36% is with public. So considering this, अभी अगर बैंक का पिछले साल का अगर फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स देखा जाए तो बहुत अच्छा नहीं था, बट वी आर सीइंग साइंस ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट इन द बैंक. बट मेरा रिकमेंडेशन ये है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि येस बैंक एकदम से ऊपर जाना चालू हो जाएगा. देयर विल बी इम्प्रूवमेंट्स इन द, नाउ वी विल गो टू टेक्निकल्स. वी कैन सी क्लियरली फ्रॉम द टेक्निकल्स that this stock is now trading at lowest level 10 point, and it is showing that this is taking support at this point. So possibility of going below this seems to be less, but I will not buy all my stock at this level. So we should not invest. This is a penny stock. This is not profit making organization yet. We should not invest all our capital in penny stock. We should invest only 1% of capital, that too in 2 to 3 times. I mean 2 to 3 parts. So अगर किसी मोमेंट पे अगर हमको पेनी स्टॉक पे इन्वेस्ट करना है तो इट इज माय ओपिनियन वी शुड इन्वेस्ट ओनली 0.33% ऑफ होल पोर्टफोलियो. And if another opportunity comes, then we can put some point more 0.33. So 3 part में अगर divide करते हैं, suppose we have 1 lakh rupees. So at this moment we can invest 300 rupees. If we see some correction or if we see some further opportunity, then we can improve. We can invest 300 rupees more. But मेरा ये मानना है कि there will be strong, if we see the chart, this even if yes bank goes up, there will be very strong resistance at 12 point level, which was support earlier. Now this will act as a resistance. अगर हम ये बात अगर है, if we see so this was support earlier, now it will act as a resistance at this point. So whenever this stock will move above 12, then there is chance that this stock can go up to 15 first and then up to 16. But this bank will definitely take some time. My opinion, we can invest in small quantities, but this is educational purpose. You please consult your financial advisor before investing anything in Yes Bank or any of the stock. My purpose is to just bring some videos, how to see technical chart, how to read technical chart, how we can see bank and give some updates. So friends, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. आई विल ब्रिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट frequently, and please click on notification icon Also like, if you like the content, share with the friends. Till then, thank you very much friends. Take care.